Hello world. Today we will learn about the conditional block transfer program. This is a quite popular program and comes with different variant, and in today's video we will learn about this program in which you have to check the number. If it is odd, then transfer to next memory block, and if it is even, then transfer to next memory block by modifying D0 and D4 bit. But remember, transferring means copying here. So this program includes two logic. First, you have to check if the number is odd or even, and in the next part you have to check and you have to modify D0 and D4 bit. So let's learn the logic. At first, let's learn how to modify the bits here. For that, we have the XOR gate, which is 0001 1011, and in XOR gate it will detect odd. So if it is odd, then it is 1, otherwise it will be 0. I hope you know about the XOR gate. This gate is used to modify bit. So if any number 0 or 1 is XORed with 0, then it remains same. Any number XORed with 0 remains same, but any number XORed with 1 will change. That is 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. So we have to modify D4 and D0 bit. And let's make the representation of bits. This is D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. Now we have to modify this bit and this bit. So to modify this bit, we have to place 1 here, and we have to keep other numbers same, so we have to XOR with 0. So if we XOR a number with this number, then the D4 and D0 bit will be modified and other bit will remain same, and this number b equals to 11h. Now if we XOR, that is XRI 11h with any number, then our condition will be fulfilled. This is the instruction of 8085, and this is the our condition which is obtained from here. And we have to check the number is odd or even. For that I have made a separate video. If you haven't watched, then I'll put the link in the I button or description. You can watch it from there. And generally, if the number ends with 1, then it is odd number. If it ends with 0, that is even number. This is the small logic for odd even. Now let's start our program. Let's assume it is given in the question that first block start from 3000 and second block start from 3100. So this is the memory blocks for 3000 and this is for 3100. At first, let's place these two location in some register pair. For that, we have the instruction LXI B, 3000H. So BC pair will be assigned with 3000 and LXI D, 3100H. So DE pair will be assigned with 3100. The register pair available for us are A, B, C, D, E, H, L. We have used BC and DE. Now we have to copy 10 number. So we have to place the counter as 10. For the counter, let's use this register MBI H, 0AH. Now we have to load the number present in this memory block memory location to the accumulator. For that, we have LDAX B, LDX B. Now the number present in this memory block will come to accumulator A register. Now we have to check. At first, we have to check the number is odd or even. For that, we have the instruction RRC. Okay, let us know more about the RRC. Suppose this is 1011 and this is carry flag. What RRC does is it moves the number 1 bit to the next location, and then last bit will move to accumulator. So 1 will come here and this will come to this. So after performing RRC, carry flag will change and also the content of accumulator will be changed. We should keep in mind that the content of accumulator is also changed, otherwise our program will be wrong in later part. So we'll perform RRC here. Now after performing RRC, the carry flag is changed. Now so we have to check the carry flag. For that we have the instruction JNC. Now JNC is the jump when there is no carry flag, that is when carry flag is not set. And let's keep the label skip. If the carry flag is not set, then the program flow will move toward this level skip. If the carry flag is set, if carry flag is 1, that is if the number is odd. Now if the number is odd, then directly we have to store that number into this location. But we have performed this RRC, that is it will rotate the number by 1 bit. So we have to reverse it by using RLC and store to the STAX to this memory block which is pointed by D, STAXD. Now we have to put this label here. Now when there is no carry, our program flow will come here. Now if there is no carry, that is if the number is even, we have to modify the number by using XRI 11H. But I have already said the RRC will change this number, so again we have to reverse it before doing XOR. For that we have RLC. Now we have to perform XOR. XOR, that is XOR I means immediate data, that is 11H. Now we have to store STAXD. Now the number is stored here. Now if we leave this program as it is, then the program flow will come here and it will again rotate the number and again store to the same location. So we have to skip this part because this is not in our logic if the number is odd. That is if the number is odd, we have to place just as it is. We should not do XOR. For that let's use JMP down. Now in down, now using this we have skipped this part of code. That so if the number is odd, our program will not XOR and it will move down. Now we have copied the the one data successfully. Now we have to increase the memory pointer by using INXD, INXB. Now we have to decrease this counter which is in H register. For that we have DCRH. Now we have to check the 0 flag because we have to loop this program until this becomes 0. J and Z up. Now we have to place this up label in this part and we have to alt. Now this is the logic behind the program, and that is for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and share it among your friends, and I will make further video. And if you have any confusion, then please ask in the comment section. And if you want me to write some program on your demand, then you can ask in the comment section. I'll try to make the video as soon as possible. Till then, have a good day, keep learning.